This Plants Theme Foil art book is such a fun and creative activity, and a wonderful gift for kids who enjoy flowers, plants, and nature-themed crafts. It includes everything kids need to create bright, colorful, and shiny artwork, including foil sheets, an 8-color crayon, and a wooden stick. The plant designs are beautiful and full of charming details that children enjoy. The pages feature lavender, strawberry, blueberry, rose, dandelion, sunflower, and many other lovely plant and flower illustrations. The foil art process is simple and easy to use. Just peel the white sticker, place the foil on top, press gently, and use the wooden stylus to trace around the edges so the shiny foil attaches smoothly and evenly before lifting to reveal sparkling designs. Watching the bright foil appear on the page feels exciting and magical for children. The coloring pages are a fun extra activity that works well with crayons, colored pencils, markers, or paints. The paper is sturdy and smooth, so colors look bright and neat. The set includes a wide variety of colorful foil sheets, allowing kids to mix and match colors to create unique and shiny pictures. Kids enjoy adding their own creative touches and experimenting with different color combinations. Parents appreciate how this activity keeps children engaged in a creative and hands-on learning experience. It helps improve focus, imagination, hand-eye coordination, and color recognition, while encouraging artistic expression. The set is perfect for home, travel, classrooms, parties, or quiet time activities. Kids can happily stay busy for hours creating sparkling pictures and decorating each page. They feel proud of their finished artwork and love showing their colorful creations to family and friends. Each kit makes 16 sparkling artworks, making it great for sharing with friends and family. It also works wonderfully as party favors, classroom gifts, birthday surprises, or holiday activities. Every finished artwork looks bright, colorful, and full of beautiful details. Overall, this Plants Theme Foil Art Craft set is a wonderful way for kids to enjoy hands-on creativity while making beautiful flower and plant artwork. I would definitely recommend it as a fun, engaging, and creative craft activity that keeps children entertained, inspires imagination, and lets them create sparkling artwork they can truly feel proud of.